Hello. Welcome. This is a calm English listening practice. You do not need to hurry. You do not need to understand everything. Just listen. English is not something you must fight with. English is something you can slowly get used to. Like a sound. Like music. Like a voice in the background. Part 1, starting slow. Let us begin slowly. You are here now. You are listening. That is already enough. Many people think learning English is hard. They think they need to remember many rules. They think they need to speak perfectly. But that is not true. Language is not about being perfect. Language is about understanding little by little. Right now, you are listening. Your brain is working, even if you do not feel it. That is good. Take a breath. Relax your shoulders. English can be calm. Part 2, simple moments. Think about a simple day. You wake up. You open your eyes. The room is quiet. The light is soft. You stand up. You walk to the window. Outside, the world is moving slowly. Cars pass. People walk. The day begins. These are simple moments. Simple words. Wake up. Stand up. Walk. Look. English uses many simple words. You already know more than you think. Part 3, do not translate everything. When you listen to English, you do not need to translate every word. Try to feel the meaning. If you hear the word morning, you do not need to think in another language. You can imagine light, a new day, a beginning. This is how children learn language. They listen. They feel. You can do the same. Listening is powerful. Part 4, a quiet person. This is a short story. There is a person. This person likes quiet moments. They wake up early. Not because they must, but because they like calm mornings. They make a cup of coffee. They sit near the window. They do not check their phone. They do not rush. They just sit. Sometimes they listen to English. Not to study. Not to test themselves. Just to listen. Slowly, English becomes familiar. Part 5, repeat and relax. You may hear words many times. Listen again. Repeat if you want. Or do not repeat. Both are okay. Words like time, day, night, sound, quiet, slow. These words appear often. That is normal. Repetition helps learning. You do not need to force it. Part 6, you are doing well. If you understand this sentence, you are doing well. If you understand only parts of it, you are also doing well. Understanding grows slowly. Like a plant. Like a habit. You listen today. You listen tomorrow. One day you realize something. English feels easier. Part 7, listening without pressure. Many learners feel stress. They think, what if I don't understand? That is okay. You are not here to pass a test. You are here to listen. Let English stay in the background. While you rest. While you work. While you relax. Your brain learns even when you are not trying. Part 8, another simple story. There is a small CAF. It is quiet. Soft music plays. A person sits alone. They have a notebook. They write simple words. Not sentences. Just words. Coffee. Window. Light. Sound. They smile. English feels friendly today. Part 9, you do not need to speak yet. Some people worry about speaking. They think, I cannot speak well. That is okay. Listening comes first. You listen to your first language for a long time before you spoke. English is the same. Let listening come first. Speaking will come later. Part 10, stay with the sound. Right now, just listen. Listen to the rhythm. Listen to the pauses. English has music. You do not need to catch every word. Let the sound stay with you. Part 11, night listening. English at night is different. The world is quieter. The mind is calmer. Listening becomes easier. Many people learn better at night. If you are listening now, this moment is yours. Part 12, small progress. Progress is quiet. It does not shout. It does not arrive suddenly. One day, you understand a sentence without thinking. That is progress. Part 13, keep going. You are not late. You are not slow. You are learning in your own way. Listening is learning. Staying calm is learning. Coming back is learning. Part 14, final calm. This hour is almost finished. But your learning is not. English will stay with you. In small ways. In quiet ways. Thank you for listening. You are doing better than you think.